Good morning, YouTube. Is it morning? No, it's afternoon. Good afternoon, YouTube. I've just been chilling in the truck all day. There she is. I'm still at the same spot from last night, the warehouse that's under construction, across the street from the Peterbilt plant where we delivered yesterday. So I've just been sitting here chilling all day, just relaxing, just on the phone, doing some business stuff. But we're about to go pick up our load here in a little bit. I do have an errand to run in between, but I'm gonna go pick up a load here that's gonna take me down home to Houston so I can go spend some family time home with the wife and kids and take the weekend off. It's been a long time since I've had a full weekend off to just do nothing except hang out with them. So we're about to go get into that. Meanwhile, I'm gonna need you guys to roll the intro, okay? Check out the intro, check out that truck, check out how clean and how smooth I backed that truck up and how I did my little tug test. Oh, truck looks good. Anyway, y'all check out the intro. I'm gonna check out this truck, get it pre-tripped so we can get out of here. Meanwhile, I'm gonna throw that video, I think usually I throw it up. How about we throw it down? Here we go, ready, set. All right, guys, we're about to hit the road. Gotta go run a quick errand and then go pick up this load. Had some really good business phone calls this morning. I talked to a few of you guys from the channel that hit me up. I got to talk to you guys on the phone a little bit, just to kind of give y'all some ideas on expanding your trucking careers. And then I had some business phone calls that had to do with the YouTube channel. And guys, I have some opportunities for the channel. I can't share it with you yet, but they're pretty exciting. It's definitely going to benefit the channel. It's going to benefit the other parties, and it's going to benefit you. And that's what it's all about, right? Benefiting everybody. So we got that going on. And I also had to do some work related stuff for the trucking company because I have some stuff that I want to work on with that too. So we're going to get rolling. We're about to hit the road here in a few seconds. Truck is pre-tripped. I got to have some breakfast for once, just to kind of chill out and just handle some phone business. But we're about to hit the road here and go pick up this load so we can get straight on home. So you guys stick along for the ride and let's roll. All right, guys, we're here at this warehouse here because we are picking up a very important load. So I got a phone call about this load I'm picking up right now. I can't tell y'all what it is yet. I'm going to pick it up here at this warehouse, but look at the scenery. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful out here in Dallas. So like I said, I got a phone call to pick up a very important load. And I couldn't turn it down because in this case, it would be morally disrespectful for me to turn down this load. And so when they called me about it and said, hey, can you come pick this up? I said, yeah, I got to do it. So we're at this warehouse, about to go grab this load right here real quick. We're a little early, so I'm just sitting here and waiting. Meanwhile, I'm going to get the trailer prepped because after I pick up this load, this one is going down to Houston, specifically the Rosenberg, Richmond area. And then the one I'm picking up in Garland is going down to the Cisco warehouse down there in Houston. So let's prep the trailer and let's go ahead and get ready to pick this load up. Let's open these doors up. I told y'all I had a special load to pick up. Got it all strapped down there. So guys, this is my brother here. He just graduated college. So we're picking up his college stuff because he's moving out because he just graduated. So where'd you graduate from and where's your degree?
DBU. My degree is in political science. It's right over there. You can probably see the chapel building over there.
Yeah, that's DBU right there, Dallas Baptist University right there. So what's next?
I'm moving to Houston.
Moving to
right now.
Back down to Houston. So we got his stuff, some of his stuff packed up there, but he'll be moving back this weekend sometime. But we're about to go pick up our main load. His stuff is secure, it's not going anywhere. And I'm about to shoot back down to Houston. All right, y'all, so he's leaving. So he didn't have a space in his car for all this stuff. And so he hit me up, he was like, hey, you know, because the trunk, the little lever on his truck broke. So he couldn't open his trunk. And so he's like, hey, how can I fix this? I said, shoot. I said, are you leaving campus? He was like, yeah. I said, well, I'm right here in Dallas. I said, how about I just come pick it up? And he was like, oh, yeah. I said, okay. I said, I'll meet you right there. They're building a warehouse right there next to your campus. So I'll just come scoop it up from you. And he was like, okay, yeah. So grabbed his stuff. And now we're about to go pick up this load here in northeast Dallas. Right now we're right here next to the Dallas Baptist University campus. But anyway, So let's go grab this load. Nope, we're backed into the dock. Just waiting to get loaded. Yep, looks good. So now we wait. I just talked to another Landstar driver. When we pulled in, there was like 3 other Landstar trucks here, and one of them said he's been here for about a little over 2 hours waiting to get loaded. I'm praying that's not the case for us, but we will see. So we're just gonna chill out here and see how long this takes. What happened to the weather? Started pouring down rain all of a sudden. Oh, what's that I see? I see a green light. That means they're finished up. Let's get out in this wet weather and go get our paperwork. I don't know what they're doing over there. Huh. Anyway, let's go inside and get our paperwork. Paperwork, placards, got everything. So I went ahead and inched up. Now these are the flimsy placards. So I'm gonna have to get my protectors to put on there, which I did grab them when I was home a couple of days ago. And with it being Hzmt, let's jump back here and see what needs to be secured. Let's see. Ooh, yeah, we definitely need to secure those. All right, let's get on back here and do it. Smells like some kind of cleaner. Will we clear? Ooh, yeah. I think it's household cleaner that we're hauling, which explains why it's Hzmt. So I was about to put my placards on, but I noticed she only gave me 3 of them. So I'm gonna check, because I have a bunch of placards that I always keep with me. So what is that? Corrosive 8. I know I have that. And I might even have the cardboard ones, which are a lot thicker. No. Yep, got an extra one right here. Looky there. Got the same one. Yep, that's it. It is the flimsy ones, which is why I have the glass thingies. Like here, I have a bunch of these clear things to put on top of it. But do I have any of the hardback ones? No, I think I only have the flimsy ones. Yeah, so we'll need our, okay. All right, let's put these on. So guys, if you're hauling hazmat, never throw away your placards. Always keep them, because you never know when you're going to need them. All right, these are gonna go in there pretty easy. Let's see. Almost. Come on. There we go. There we go. All right, there's 1. 3 more to go. Come on. Come on, almost there. Work it on in there. Come on. There we go. Almost. There we go. All right. That's 2. 2 more to go. Oh, this one's gonna be easy. Are you gonna be easy for me? Oh, okay. Almost. Almost. Oh yeah. Perfect. All right. That's 3. 1 more to go. Just a little trick, guys, when it's raining. Dip the placard and the plastic cover, if you have them, in like a puddle of water, and they'll stick together. And it'll be a lot easier when you're trying to slide both of them in there. This thing here is it's just real stiff. That's why it's hard to get in there. Almost. I don't want to tear the placard. Okay, with that being stiff the way it is, that lets me know it's not going anywhere. So that's 4. Let's roll. Oh, snap. Hope he's okay, guys. Man. That's why you gotta be careful coming off these ramps. Especially that ramp right there. That ramp is pretty slick. And it just finished raining too. Man, that sucks. Yeah, I used to run that ramp every single night. We're just leaving the Dallas area. I think that's where these cops are going. We just left the Dallas area and we're on our way home down to Houston. But yeah, I used to run this lane every day. Shoot up from Houston, come up here to Dallas, shoot on back down. And I used to hit that ramp every night, and that is a tricky ramp because it looks like it's pretty chill and straightforward, and then all of a sudden it kind of curves a little bit deeper, and as soon as you realize it curves, you're already halfway on building speed to prepare to get off the ramp onto the main road. Man, it sucks. But yeah, whenever, especially after a good rain, it's always good to take it slow, take your time, and especially coming off a ramp, you need to be very cautious. Yeah, we just got off of I-20, got some fuel, got something to eat, and now we're heading home. This load doesn't deliver until 6 o'clock in the morning. And so we'll be able to get home, get a good night's sleep, and then wake up in the morning and get it delivered. We got about a 3.5 hour drive before we get to the house. Man, guys, that really sucks for that driver, man. They say it's more than just, you know, holding a steering wheel and driving. Like, not only are you driving that truck, but you're driving for everybody around you. Well, we just used the facilities, took a little break out here. We're just north of Huntsville, Texas. Probably about an hour and a half away from the house. So, yep. Can y'all guess which truck is us? Which one are we? Which truck is the Lone Star? Who can guess? Who can guess? Who can guess? Who can guess? All right, got an hour and a half to go. Let's get on to the house. Rangers and Rangerettes, we're parked for the evening. Thank you guys for tuning in. We're about 10-15 minutes away from the house, so I don't want to drop the trailer off here because I'm hauling a hazmat load, and the truck is supposed to stay with the trailer because the paperwork stays in the truck, so in the driver's side door pouch. So I'm going to catch a ride home, leave the truck here, come back at about 5 in the morning, come grab her, because I have to deliver that load at 6 a.m. at Cisco, which is about, it's about a 45-minute drive from here. Yes, I'll probably leave out about 4:45 just to make sure I make it there on time. Because Cisco can take their precious time, and especially if there's a line of trucks getting in. The only reason I know about them is because I used to go there when I was a company driver. So I know plenty about them. So anyway, thank you guys for tuning in. Tune in tomorrow because y'all get to see me drop that load off, and we'll spend some family time at the house. So thank you guys for tuning in. Good night. God bless you guys. Thank you for subscribing. I'm going to post a flyer right here for the Houston Truck Show, which is June 24th and 25th. So y'all check out that flyer. Come see me. Come see the family. We'll be there, and we'll have some friends out there with us. So come see us. We'd love to say hi to you guys, meet you in person. Good night. My ride is almost here, and I will see you guys in a few hours.